upward to downward. Click counting again. So is it right? Guys, I'm audible, right?
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much for the confirmation. So now you understand, right? What I done? I dragged the subcategory into the column. Again, sales into the row. I drag subcategory into the column. Again, sales into the row. Now, again, drag sales into the row. We can see double charts, right? If you see,
Yes,
now we have one window for the all, sum of sales, one more window, sum of sales two. I don't want to showcase sum of sales this chart in a bar. I want to showcase automatic to circles. One is that one is subcategory by sales is showing bar chart. Second is subcategory by sales is showing in circles. And I want to combine this with the help of dual axis. Now, if we see dual axis option is here. Now, this sum of sales, right? Remove the automatic from bar. Remove the automatic from bar. Second sum of sales, it should remain for circle itself. Now, what we need to do? If you see this bar need to reduce the size. Now, this circle sum of sales need to be increase the size. Now, now you can change the colors, which color you want to pick. Like I want red color or you want in a pink color, which now we choose pink color. Now, what we do now? Click on sum of sales, sales into the label. Now, try to be, right click, go to the format. I want to showcase this custom into the automatic. Now, display unit should be 1000. Again, prefix is nothing but dollar, right? Now, go to alignment, mention we need center, is already in center. Now, remove this. If we go to the presentation mode, it will look like, from starting to ending, from 3030K to 3K. What if you want to be remove the sales? We want to remove it. Remove the show header. Now, this subcategory fonts I don't want. Show header. Now, it look like clean area, right? Now, if you see what can it is totally looking like lollipop chart or not. It seemed like lollipop chart. What if, go to sum of sales here, circle. This sum of sales is nothing but circle. We can increase the size. And what if, I can choose the borders as well. Okay. Now, what we can do changes again? We can do borders here as well. Go to colors, automatic borders. Now it seems look like, same to same lollipop chart. If you see starting with ending that, it's like look candy, again straw. If you see, it's same look like lollipop chart. If you go to the presentation mode, now you can tell that, a lollipop chart it works from 330K to 3K, from highest to lowest. What I done again, I will tell you. Remove the sales. Again, remove the sales. Remove everything what we done. I'm again explaining drag subcategory because it's showing circle, right? Now be in the bar chart. Again, sales. Again, highest to the lowest. Now click on T. Now what we need to do? Subcategory by sum of sales, is it fine? But we need one more sum of sales. Drag sum of sales and drop here. Now we get to know that, first we need to create column chart subcategory by sum of sales, and one more sales we need to add here. After the adding, right, we have a lot of options that then we choose dual axis. Dual axis because we want to be combine sum of sales, both sum of sales. Now we have combined. After combining, this sum of sales 2 is there, right? Change bar chart to, circles. Again, change into the colors, which color we want to have. We want, gray color. Now this size I don't want. It is not like, look like, lollipop chart. Sum of sales, size, reduce the size. Again, go to the label, uncheck this option. Go to the presentation mode. Again, what we need, show it at presentation mode. Now if you see, just 1 second. I haven't, reduce the size. Reduce the size right now. Now if you see that go presentation mode, it look like same to same lollipop chart. Is it right?
Yes, it is. It is right.
Anybody try to
Chala.
prepare this lollipop chart? Everything I am explaining. Anybody try to be create this chart?
I did. Let me share my screen.
Can you please anybody try to do this?
I'm sharing my screen now.
Okay, that's you done
Uh,
perfectly. You again combine the both sum of sales. Now you choose an yellow for the circles. That's perfect. You done perfectly.
okay. Cool.
Okay.
How
Thank
do
you
how
so
do I
much.
how do I get the formatting of the
Show
figures to
headers,
the
right? Show headers,
uh,
right?
show header?
Show header, right? You want show header, right?
Select this
Go
three
to
hundred
sum
and
of.
thirty thousand. I want it to be set 330K.
Okay. Go to the go to sum of sales. First sum of
Mm-hmm.
sales.
Mm-hmm.
Go to the label option. Format option.
Yeah,
Format.
format. Yes.
Click on the format. You will get, click on that. 1, 2, 3 numbers are they showing that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Number into the custom. Now negative value should be automatic.
Oh, automatic. Mm-hmm.
Now thousands K.
Mm-hmm.
Now remove this. Again do for the same thing as well. Second sum of sales.
Oh, and the second sum of sales. Okay.
Because
Number.
circles we are you showing that sum of sales, right?
Yes.
Go to the custom. Now
Mm-hmm. Hmm. I don't know. I did something off then.
still
Is
is
it
not
two
showing,
of them?
right?
Still not showing. Is it two of them
Okay.
have the same
First,
format?
okay, I will tell you. Uncheck this
Mhm.
option, click T, click on T. No, on the first corner option, first option, main option. After we do sorting, right? After
Mhm.
standard, there is a option
Uh,
is there, right? T option. Uncheck this option.
mhm.
Now, what you do now, drag sum of sales into circle, not into the bar chart. It that means sum of sales too. Click on sum of
Uh,
sales too.
Sum of sales two.
Now, after clicking on sum of sales too, drag sales into the label.
Oh, drugs. Oh, I see what you're saying. Where is sales again? Oh, that's
Take easy, don't worry about that. Now, click on sum of sales T, go to the format. Right click,
that.
go to the format. After
Mhm.
going to the format, just click on the numbers, custom. Again,
Mhm.
go to zero, again automatic. Decimal should be zero, first of all.
Ah,
Now,
yeah, that's it.
alignment,
That's it.
go for the alignment. Go for the alignment. Go
Where
for the
is?
alignment. And alignment should be central, not should be in the come side.
Mhm.
In the uppermost option is there, right? On the font alignment numbers, on the format itself. Not here. Here of
Oh.
in that format only. In that
Uh,
format only. If you open that font alignment numbers, here. If you
uh,
where you change numbers, tell me.
oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
Don't
Alignment.
alignment should be central.
Oh, okay.
Now
Yeah, got
perfect.
it now.
Now perfect. Now
Okay,
alignment
fine.
should be central. Now perfectly looking like that, right?
Yes. Thank you.
Again, we can put dollar sign as well.
Mm. Uh,
Go to the numbers. No, don't. Okay, you already go for the numbers. Again,
mhm,
going to the numbers, number custom, come down to prefix and suffix is there, right?
mhm. Understood.
Prefix dollar, just write dollar, you
Mhm.
get it, you will get it all things. No, actually, you know, write default, write prefix dollar.
Oh,
Now
there it
it's
is.
showing that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now
Okay.
remove the front of sum of sales. Now go for the presentation mode. How it look like? Can you please check that? Go presentation mode. Now if it look like perfect, right?
Yes, it does.
Okay. That's great to hear you. You're doing perfect.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I'm going to the next chart.
mm,
Now the next chart, which is I'm going to prepare. Guys, echo sound is getting right.
Come on.
Okay, forget about this. Next chart, we are going to prepare funnel chart. How we are going to create funnel chart and what purpose we are using, I will tell you. So first of all, add one more sheet and rename it as a funnel chart. Now we have renamed this funnel chart. Now, what you want to be showcased? Category or sales or subcategory. Now this time I want to choose segment. Just control segment, sales, show me option, stack back, click on that. Now we choose segment into the colors, sales into the row. Now what if sales, I just drag the sales into the sizes. Now I choose standard to the entire view. After, you know, uh, I don't want this sales header. Okay, right click, show header, it will be removed. I want this funnel chart should be mentioned central. Now this is going to be in this color, and this is going to be 16, or you can choose 18 as well. Click on apply, click on OK. Now click on T. What if these numbers, is it hard to pronounce, right? These numbers, 1 lakh, 1,16,000, again 1401. I don't want to again spell the numbers. I don't want to showcase the number itself. Go to sum of sales. Again, quick table calculation, percentage of total. Now, if you see, there is the now again this 50.56%, right? Which is a which segment is it? I want to know that. Just drag the segment into the label. Now again drag sales into the label. After the dragging the sales label with table calculation, percentage of total. Now go for the presentation mode. Now if you see, consumer has been captured 50%, corporate 30%, home office 18%. How does it look like? Perfect. This is nothing but
Yes,
funnel
perfect.
chart. In this funnel chart, you can easily understand that whichever the is this funnel chart, right? It always goes to highest to the lowest. If you see highest to the lowest. Now anybody can try this. What I done, if you want to tell again, then you can clearly tell me. Dinesh, you can tell me once again if you haven't understand. Okay,
I can try.
you can try definitely. I want to be try itself because I put in my efforts, right? You should be work on that. That's why I'm doing all things.
I'd already done this, but
Okay, do one thing. Stand it to the entire mode, entire view. Go here, change the standard mode, standard to the entire view. Now, what you need to do, click on the numbers have been showing. Now you want to know that which is the segment is there. Now drag the segment into the label. Okay, drag the now drag the sales into the label as well. Now go for and remove the sales header because it showcase it giving lot of now funnel chart take into the middle. If you want to be bold as well, you can choose bold. Which color you want, you can choose color as well. Now what you do, go now remove the sales header and go for the presentation mode. Now I inform you, right? Remove the sales header, which is not looking much good impression in that.
The what? Sorry.
Remove the sales header, which we don't want, right? Sales header is that means sales
The
0k to 200k. The sales header which we have. Don't here. Come to the right corner. No, come
okay.
to the left corner in that chart itself. Where is the chart?
Mm-hmm.
Chart is not there, right? Where is the chart?
Yeah.
Come to sales. Now 0k, 200k, 200k to 400k. Where is the distance it's showing?
This one.
That
Sorry.
and right click and click on sales header.
Then show it. Okay.
Now, if you see it looking really good, and as well as we can when go for the presentation mode, it it give an impression, really good impression in the front of the client as well, in the front of manager as well.
Okay.
Even you can add the borders, black borders if you want to add it. That is again good impression. If you want to go for the borders, go for the automatic, go for the borders, then it is how it look like. If you see that really good impression, right?
Yes.
Now, go for the another chart. I'm sharing my screen. So what is the next chart? Next chart, we are going to learn about advanced funnel chart. What is the advanced funnel chart? How to work on that, I will tell you. Now, first create sheet. Again, rename it advanced funnel chart. Now we write advanced funnel chart. Just drag subcategory. Again, sales. Now we have a drag subcategory by sales, highest to the lowest. What you do, standard to the entire view. Now, what if add one more sales? Drag sales here, drop here. Is it showing two charts or not?
Yes.
Showing two charts.
Okay. So what I did, tell me, I have done that, I'm just dragging subcategory into the row or again sales into the column. So after I done that, again I'm dragging sales into the column. If I remove, it will show only one chart. If I drag sales, it's showing two charts. If you keenly observe.
Yes,
Columns for
Now,
sales.
now it is a very important thing. This, this first sales, we need to go to axis. We have an option that to edit axis. If you see that, click on that. Now the reverse option, go for the reverse option. Again, remove this ticket axis, edit axis. Now go for the all. Now this is the automatic bar chart is showing, right? Automatic bar. Change into the area chart. Now go for the first sum of sales. Go for the label and uncheck this option, show mark label. Now what I want to showcase? I want to showcase subcategory here. Subcategory into the label. Now, is it showing this side subcategory, this side sales, right? Now, what if I remove this show header? Again, remove this show header. Now, this advanced funnel chart, right? I want in the middle. Again, it's a showcasing on 20. Is it on the, pink color, suppose? apply OK. Now go for the presentation mode. This is a nothing but advanced funnel chart. From highest to the lowest, highest to the numbers. This side from subcategory, this part from sales numbers.
Mm,
You understand, right? What I'm telling?
understood.
Okay,
Can
that's
you
great
repeat
to hear
again,
you.
Sunny?
Yes.
Hello,
Now,
Sunny.
if you look into the funnel chart, what is representing? Tell me.
Like a hierarchy, a
Now,
ranking,
if you look into the funnel chart, what is showing? Tell me. Hierarchy or what
hierarchy,
is showing?
a hierarchy
Hierarchy.
or a ranking.
Hierarchy, you know? Suppose in this category, if I choose, I remove this segment, I drop category, or else, now is it showing that one is highest, second is lowest, again third is another lowest? Is it going to the highest to the lowest? How is it looking like that? The meaning of funnel chart, is it showing the hierarchy? Is it showing the highest to the lowest number? If you look in the
Yes.
advanced funnel chart, it shows the area, how much area you have a sales. If you're focusing on morely right chart, if you go for that, it's showing the area advanced funnel chart.
Mm,
Yes,
And now, if I go with the another chart, I'm 100% sure that this chart you definitely love that. Is nothing but a word cloud chart. When I'm learning Tableau, right, I'm very curious that this chart how it look like that. Because if you go for the my LinkedIn profile, I chooses this. If you go here, if you see, is same look like this chart, right? If you go here, is same look like same this chart, right?
yes, it does.
How to prepare this chart? Go here, write, rename, word cloud chart. Before going to the preparing word cloud chart, is it important to the automatic to the text? Now we have a change automatic to the text. Then I want to showcase, you know, a region. I want to showcase states, state by sales. These numbers, what the numbers which we showcasing, right? Let's suppose states into the text, state into the text. Now sales into the size, sales into the colors. Again, go for the colors, edit the colors. Which color palette we want, we can choose it. Now, the step color, which is 5, right? We can add it as 7, 8, 9, 10. What if we add 10 step colors? Go for the advanced. Now we can choose it as well as now go for the apply, go for the OK. Is it showing what is the highest sale? Highest sale is nothing but California, New York, Washington, because it's showing big. If you see, which is the less darker, right? Is it less sale? What is the highest sale? Texas, California, New York, Florida. If you go for the presentation mode, how it look like? If you see, again, one more thing, you know, remove the sum of sales into the colors and add state into the colors. You can choose which color, which state color you want. Let's suppose this newer color I want to change it. What you can choose the which color you want. Go for the newer, double click. Let's suppose I want yellow color. Okay, apply. Okay, then if you see newer is showing yellow. This is the one more thing that this is a tons of colors it's showing. Let's suppose remove the state, add sales into color. Which one is better looking? This one or else this one? Just wait. Just wait a minute. It might be maybe issues because it's showing like that. If you remove the subcategory, now you understand that how to create this chart.
Mhm.
Go for the again one more. Like, let's suppose create one more sheet. Again, straight into the text before going to the automatic to change into the text. Straight into text, sales into the size. Again, subcategory into the colors. Is it showing wrongly? Sorry for that. You can, as of now, you can look into that as well. Now you understand right how to create this word cloud chart.
Yes,
Yes, understood.
Yes.
Anybody can try to prepare this chart. Simple. Remove everything.
let me try.
Okay, you can try this.
This is what I did.
Yeah. Now you can choose straight into colors as well. If you want to remove straight, again you can choose sales into color as well. The benefit is that when you add shade into colors, right, you can choose which color you want as particular which state. Am I right?
Sales into colors.
If you see this color palette, if you want to change, you can change it. Again, this is the colors which is looking more similarly. It sounds like more perfect, more professionally. I go with this chart. What do you think?
It's good, say.
Okay. Before going to create any chart, sheet 11, right? The name, it should be word cloud chart. Rename it. Not here. In the come down, right? Rename it. Then then I'm only going to prepare chart, right? Because if you're not this doing right, how people shall understand which chart you created? Is it very important? You should rename this sheet name. Now, now you understand how to create a word cloud chart. Now I'm going to the next chart. I'm going to prepare that. Now go for the PowerPoint presentation, which is I'm going to tell you about bum chart. Is it showing by ranking by sum of sales as a region? If I minimize this, here ordered it sum of sales. What is showing? Is it showing ranking by region by sum of sales? Go here, rename it, mention as bump chart. Now, what we do? Go for the order date. Now, sales as well. This text into the line chart, stand it to the entire view, click on T. Now you understand, right? We drag order date into the column, sales into the row, then come to the line chart, again entire view, click on T. Then what we need to do? Again, drag sum of sales. Was it showing? Tell me. What is showing? Tell me.
Two line
Two
charts of
lines.
cells.
Two rows for the sales.
Okay, is it showing two line chart, right? Now, what we need to do? Look very carefully these steps when you're working on this chart. This chart, the sum more steps has been added. When I'm sum of sales, first sum of sales, right? Go for the, before, going to change anything, you understand how I created this. Before going to the anything, first drag the region into the colors. Again, go to come sum of sales, drag the region into colors. Now, this sum of sales, right click, quick table calculation, we need rank. Come to sum of sales, second sum of sales, quick table calculation, we need rank. Now, you understand what I done? I added region here, again added region here. After the adding the region, I right click, quick table calculation, rank. Again, right click, quick table calculation, rank. Now you understand what what I done the steps. The next step is very important. Right click, compute using use region. Again, same for sum of sales too. Right click, compute using region. Now it's very important the sum of sales too. Is it mean sum of sales to change line into the circles? Now we have a change circles. First sum of sales is a line. Second sum of sale is into circle. What if you want to be combined? Right click. We can use dual axis option to combine both sales. Now I have combined that. First of all, uncheck this option. Now label, click on show mark label. If you see, if you go with this label as well, is it really good? Now the labels, which what we done, go for the label. I choose middle. If you see this middle, I choose. Now you guys tell me for the central region, is it what is the rank for central region for 2017? Guys, don't take that much of time.
3.
Is it simple? Now,
It's
if you
3.
if you focus perfectly, go for central region, right? If you focus 2014 is on fourth rank. 2015 is on third rank. 2016 again third rank. 2017 again third rank. Is that mean the central region sales is haven't improved? It should be go for the second rank, right? But after the fourth rank, it just done with third rank. So it's still continue for the same 3 years. Is it same like if you go for this south region, is it totally reverse? On the 2014 south region, we are in a rank of third sales. When come to 2015, that is it fourth rank, 2016 on fourth rank, 2017 on fourth rank. So what is our first rank in our 2017? Guys,
West,
don't take that much
South.
of time.
west,
It is a
west,
west region.
west.
West.
What is a highly good performing is nothing but west rank. If you see on 2014, is it on first rank sale? Again, is it go to change on second rank? Again, a revert come on 2016 on first rank. Again, still continue on 2017 first rank. So, as per my business, now my understanding is that the I am good in a sales in a which region? Tell me on
In
west
the
region.
west. In
On a
the
west
west.
region, I'm a really
West.
good at. I'm a number one person. I'm a number one rank in that sales in a west region. I'm the leader of west region. Is that mean correct or not?
That's correct.
Correct.
Now,
Yes.
now you understand that how to create a bump chart. After go to the another chart. Last but not least, donut KPI chart. This is the everybody asking for the donut KPI chart. As it sounds more interesting when you create donuts into the Tableau. It sounds like amazing, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the prepared donut KPI chart and add this rename into the donut KPI chart.
We can't see your screen, Dinesh.
Really, I was shared my screen. Guys, are you facing the same
Yes,
situation
yes.
what Lovely is
Uh,
facing?
no, I'm seeing the screen.
Okay, thank you for the confirmation. Now I rename this donut KPI chart. Lovely, you are able to see my screen right now.
Yes, now I can
Lovely.
see it.
Okay, because of maybe internet issue. Don't worry.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
now we are working on donut KPI chart. So before going to donut KPI chart, just rename it on the sheet plan. Now, this is the most important step you should never ever forget to create in donut KPI chart. So only write 0, then remove this. Again, only write a 0 one more time, then remove this. Now, this is automatic for all, right? Into the pie chart. Now, anybody tell me what I done now? If I remove everything, tell me what I done right now.
You you write
I didn't get
zero.
you, Dinesh.
Okay. So first write 0, then done. Then again write 0, then done. Is it two circles are showing right or not? Then first circle, it should be big. It should be some. Again, second circle, it should be big. First circle color is something kind of pink color. Again, second circle is a different color. And now right click, dual axis, I'm going to combine it. standard to the entire view. Now I increase the size. Again, I increase the size. Now this yellow color is there right on the middle. I want to change into the white color. So go to the sum of sales second, sum of zero. Is it showing right? Is the first. Go for the colors. Now this color, which color is that? Is it same color is there, right? So click on double zero. Now which color we want to pick? We want to pick white color. Now what if this color I want to change it? Before going to change, go to color, do some border effect, right? Now this color I want to change it. Double click. Suppose which color I want to choose. I choose green color. Is it more comfortable? Now, what if segment into the, if I go for the all, segment into the year. Now, what you done? Remove this everything. Segment into the column. Is it showing three charts now? Consumer, corporate, office. ABC, consumer, corporate, office. Now, what
Sir,
is my requirement? Yeah,
sir, how we combine the chart with the circle?
circle, right? Right click. So we choose dual axis. If I remove this, it's showcase this like that. Again, right click. We can check this option dual axis. It look like that. If you see that.
Okay. Yeah, okay, sir.
Now, after they doing this, then it's a very important step when you do. Now, is it showing three charts by consumer, corporate, home office, three segments?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what if I want to add sales in this middle? Then sales into the label. Again, go for the label. Sum of sales into click that. Now, this is really good, but I want to be bold. I want to change color into the, pink color. Again, if you come side here, I want to mention total sales is equal to. Now this total sales, I want to change color from the pink color to, which color I want, a red color. Not go for the preview. Is it showing like that, right? Now click on OK. Is it showing far more big, right? Then what we do, go for the, sum of first sum of zero, second sum of zero, first try to be increase the size. Again, increase the sum of this size as well. Now, if you go here, again right click. I choose very pink light color, right? Now I can choose, some more darker color, kind of this color. Now, total sales is equal to 1 lakh, 16,1401. Is it showing? Now I will show the total sales into the middle. This is a perfect. What if, I add, the region into the everything? Suppose go for the all. What if this region I add into colors? Suppose go for sum of 0. This sum of 0 is the first, sum of 0 is second. Which one is first? Tell me. This one is first or this one is first? Which one is first? How do you identify that, this one is first? How do you understanding that, if I am creating this, right, how do is impacting that? So you should understand that first sum of 0 is nothing but first line, first this red line. If you see, now second sum of 0 is nothing but this white color line. If I'm reducing the size, then if you see, now you understand first sum of 0 is nothing but green color, second sum of 0 nothing but white color. What if I will add a region into the colors in a first sum of 0? Again, I will add, the region names as well. Now, sales number. This sales number you can show in the percentage. Now, now everything is looking perfect. But that what is disturbing thing right me for? You know, one this lines is very disturbing me. If you see this middle line again, this lines, go for format, go for lines, click on none. Everything is none. Make sure none, 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 none. Now this is also I want format is none. Now if you do not KPI chart, I want to the middle. Now everything is look like perfect. Now what if this consumer corporate home office is just showing on here only? Then drag the segment into the label. Now this segment, go for the format, alignment. If you go to your segment as well label, is it showing more difficulties? Now we can do it. This is only one thing that go for presentation mode. Now is it showing perfectly, right? If I add the segment as well, is it more adding lot of numbers? It come down showing that. Now is it looking like same donut or not? Tell me. If I choose West
Yes.
Central region, right? If you see
Yes, it does.
the this creating when you're comparing with the pie chart and donut chart, which you choose? Tell me which one is
Mm.
looking.
I'm doing a chart.
That's why industry peoples they always try to go with the donut chart because donut chart is more looking good. If I go with the creating one more chart, that is nothing but pie chart. You tell me which one is good. This is good or this is good.
Donuts.
Donut.
Now everyone is liking donut, right? If I showcase this region, now if you see this is the region by sales, right? West, south, east, central. This is also region by sales, right? East, west, east, central, southeast. But which one is good looking? This one is good looking.
Because it's
The both are
showcasing
so
the segment.
the both are showcasing the same region by sales only. If you see, okay, let's do the sum of sales. We will take percentage. Then still is looking good or not? Still donut KPI chart is good looking. If you go with that, you see, go for presentation mode. Sheet 7 is pie chart, donut KPI chart. If you see, the both they are no. If you're focusing on donut KPI chart, is it showing region by sales? Am I right or wrong?
You're
Am
right.
I right or wrong?
Right. You're right.
Yes, sir.
If you focus on donut KPI chart, was it showcasing? Is it showcasing region by sales? Is nothing showcasing. Is it showcasing the region by sales? If you click to the west, is it showcasing the 9.83% segment on region by sale? And total sales is 7 lakh 6,000. Now go to the sheet. If you see how is it looking? Is it looking good? The pie chart is looking good or not?
No, no,
No.
kind of
That's
confusing.
why. That's why. That's why industry. If you go for the industry, go for the business peoples, they always choose donut KPI chart.
Nope.
They not choose pie chart. Now you guys understand, right? The how it look like say, when you use the business purpose as pie chart. This is the normal chart which is Tableau has included. But this is a customized chart. This is a customized chart we have prepared for that. Okay. Now
Okay.
today we have done with that. Now we have a complete with all the charts which we have I'm telling about this. Now I would like to request you to work on that again. Try to practice daily purpose. It's very important. So now you understand, right, how I created different charts from lollipop chart to donut KPI chart. Guys, today session is really interested, right? A lot of charts has been included.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Very
definitely.
Okay.
true. Yeah.
Now, now I'm asked to the individual person, which chart you most like? Which chart?
Word cloud chart.
Speak.
Do not.
Which chart?
Do not.
Hey, everybody want donut, right?
Word cloud chart for me.
Okay, you want word
Yes,
cloud
everyone
chart.
wants donut.
But yeah, if you go for the, I showcase the LinkedIn profile. If you go for the background image, that is nothing but word cloud chart, which is I prepared.
Mm.
I already showcased, right?
Yes, we saw it.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's great to hear. Now, now somebody is pinging me lollipop shot. You want lollipop? Who is this Ganesh? Is not is Crispian. AI Crispian. You want lollipop? I think she's on mute. She's telling
I,
us.
I, Danish,
Thank you so much for the reply. Onward, which chart you
Danish,
want? Huh?
Danish, I want to ask
Tell me. Yeah, you can ask me.
on on word cloud charts, how do you do it? Suppose you want to word to do with accounting to come up. Like I saw in your LinkedIn, the letters to do with data analytics, data mining. So suppose I'm into accounting. I want to for accounting words to come up. How do I do it?
Can you speak slowly so I can understand that?
On word
Speak slow.
cloud chart.
Okay, one word cloud chart. The next.
If you want words like do with accounting, how
Okay, you want
those
to
words
do. Okay, we want to do for the company, right?
Yes.
So then we need to create a data. Now we have a state data, right? The same's like we have a put it to the names for the department, or else you want to choose the, the main organization person names, or else you want to put it, the key importance of your organization. You can create a word cloud chart again, print out that chart, again put it into your organization.
Okay.
Simple. We need data itself. Small data. Create an Excel and mention that which chart you want, which mention name you want to be discuss that. Suppose you want to be discuss department names. What kind of departments in organization? HR, again accounting, again software, again after the HR software accounting, again staffing, again uh, again that stakeholders, founders. Again, there are many things are there. We can include that.
Okay,
So,
Finance.
or
understood.
else you can mention the main names. Suppose we have a top 6 or 7 members are there. You can again showcase the names as well into the word cloud chart. Now let's wind up the meeting and we will meet tomorrow. And I'm very happy with that. If you do practicing every day. And we going to soon launch Tableau with SQL workshop with 5+ internal projects. Again, 3+ mock interviews for the each individual person. Again, interview session with the resume preparation as well, LinkedIn preparation as well, everything for the cracking the interview which we need. So this is the main important that whatever you're learning, most focus on that, try to be work on that, then definitely you will get it, the result. So let's wind up the meeting. Any
Hello,
doubts, please let me know.
hello Dinesh.
Yeah,
Yeah, sorry, but can you show me again that donut KPI chart? Actually,
yeah. Okay, you're asking right now.
yes,
Okay,
I was
okay,
trying, but I'm getting some.
okay. Now, before I'm sharing my screen, right? Now you share, no, share your screen. I will tell you everything. Instead of doing me, you can do. I will guide you. Don't
Okay,
worry.
fine. Yeah,
That gives most perfect light. Don't worry about that.
the screen is visible.
Yeah, skin is visible. Don't worry. Now,
Actually, yeah,
now one by one, what I done, tell me, or else I will tell you what we need to do. Now,
uh, I
drag
did
the
actually.
segment. Yeah,
Okay,
drag the
segmenting.
segment into the column.
One moment for all, na?
Not a column. Where is your column? Where you putting?
Okay, okay, fine, fine. All right.
Now, now you understand, right? Now, what is the next thing? We need to put sum of total sales into the first color. First color is means we need to put sum of sales into the white color. Is that means sum of 0 second. Then sales into the label. Then sales into the label. Then click on the label. Click on the label, not here. Click on the label. Now click on the label, not here. Where is the label? Now click on that. Now click on that. Now mention total sales is equal to sum of sales. And again, you can do coloring part as well, which is more, looking really good. You can increase the size, you can do coloring part, which color you want. Guys, please be, tell me each and everything if you are facing any difficulties to create a chart. Don't tell like that, I haven't understand anything after done the course. Okay. Now, after the mentioned total sales, right? Click on apply, click on OK. Now, one more important, just increase the size of which is in a white color. White color, which is the white color? Not first, second white color. Increase the size. Again, increase the size. Now, okay, that's fine. Now, no, increase the size perfectly, which is total sales, which is an under. Now come down, sum of sales, increase the size. Now total sales, which perfectly look like that. Now done perfectly. Now the second most important thing. Now we have shown the total sales. Remove the lines, which is the now there. Go to the right click format, not here. Now just click on the format. Go to format. Now go to the lines. Now everything should be none, not be anything. None, none, none. Now everything you mentioned none. After the mentioning the none option, now second most important thing, we show the total sale. But what you want to compare? We compare with the region by sales.
Region, yeah.
Now you can region directly into the go for the all option. Region into the say region to the colors. Now this is the mistake you done, right?
Yeah,
So
actually.
how is looking? Tell me. Is not looking like do not KPI chart. That's why what I done. I remove the region. Remove the region. Go to the first color. What is the first color?
Yeah, this one.
Again, region into the colors. Now come to the second.
Second one.
Again, put it region into the colors.
Again, the same issue.
Any option, anything you done? Actually, you haven't. You have a mistake. Anything has happened. That is it not looking like that? First of all, remove this. Remove this. Okay, remove that. Now go to first sum of zero. Choose which color you have. Choose. Tell me. Go for sum of zero. Choose colors. Edit colors. Now choose color. Which color we want. Then click on apply. Then let's see what happens.
Yeah, because okay, I'll choose all this.
Still is not happening.
Sorry.
Still is not happening. I think you done mistakes. I think that's why. Go to the assign palette. Click on apply. Click on apply.
Nothing is happening.
Why is not happening?
I did the same which you did, but still it is showing same.
I will share my screen. Give me 1 minute. Now, if you see my screen, now I put it reason into the first, not first. If you see the sum, if I remove this, then it looking like that. Then I add reason to the colors. If you see, a reason to the colors, a reason to the label, I put it again sum of sales into the angle.
Yeah, but for in my case, all the thing is showing in the same color.
Okay, what we do now? Again, share your screen. Do again from the first time itself. Remove everything. Create one more sheet. What again? You have mistake anything again. You do one more time. I will tell you perfectly again. No, don't do
Okay.
it. Again, create one more sheet. Now, one by one, first, what we need to do? First, mention 0, 0.
Yeah, this one.
Again, mention 0. Now stop it. Is it
Sorry.
main important? You choose the circle. We need pie chart. Go for the all. Is it go for the pie? Pie. Now reduce the size first. This is the main mistake you done that.
Yeah, actually.
Okay. Now check now after the going to the pie chart, first it should be now this is the white color remain that second color which is the second sum of zero, first sum of zero, you should be change the color. Now go and combine it. Now
Okay.
remove the green color into the white color. Double click. I will tell you, don't worry about that. Double click. Where you want to change the color, green color, right? Now choose white color. Now click on OK. Now we're done with the first part.
Yeah.
Now segment into the column.
For all now, right?
Don't for the all row, column. Just just column, not row anything. Okay, put it here. Put it segment into the column.
Right.
Is it showing three, right? Same like that.
Yeah.
Done with the one part. Second part, what we need to do? Tell me. Second part. Now, uh, click on some of which is a white circle is there. Write total sale. Drag the sales into the label. Then write total sale. After the writing, right? You know, you can write total sales as well.
Sorry.
Okay, don't worry. Now you understand how to write total sales, right?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. Forgot this. Now you can, write middle wise. Now, what is the main option? We are not getting colors, right? So, now first, now region, go to the first sum of zero, which is not part, first sum of zero. Okay. Now put it region into the colors.
Yeah. Now it is fine.
Because why it is because we have selected the circle, not pie
Circle.
chart.
Yeah. 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 I got it. Yeah.
Now you can region into the now you can go with the region by label again, sales by the label. You can put it like that. Is it showcasing the everything by that? Now is it showcasing same like me?
Yeah. Sales. One moment.
Now
Yeah.
this
Fine.
percentage you can go with the quick calculation. Again choose percentage of total. Now go for the presentation mode. Is it looking like same like me?
Yeah. Right. Actually, I choose
Because
Just
that
to
way.
write
the small
total sales.
mistake you done that, right?
Yeah. Right.
Okay. So make
Yeah.
sure every doubt should be clear. Okay. Now
Yeah.
any doubts still pending, let me know. Or else
Dinesh,
we will wind up the meeting.
Dinesh, how can we write total sales is equal to that number in the middle of the circle?
Okay. Okay. Now I'm not going to tell you, Ganesh going to tell you. Tell me the Ganesh, share your screen.
Yeah. One moment.
Ganesh. Now you already done this, right? Now click on that. Now first of all, how do you get the sales? The sales we get because of we added the sum of sales into the label, right?
Yeah.
Now right click table, again click
Here
on that, again click
label
on that. Now mention total sum of sales is equal
Right.
to
sales is equal to. Here I can color it.
Increase the font also.
Yeah.
now you understand, right, Sanjay? How do we get the sum of sales into the
Yes,
in
Dinesh,
that
yes.
circle itself? Okay. Now everybody have any doubts in that? Then please let me know, or else we will wind up the meeting. So make sure every whatever we are doing that make sure practice itself. and every starting the session, right, I will ask it what we had done yesterday. Nobody is repeating me. So make sure yesterday what we know, when I asked you tomorrow, you should tell like what kind of charts we done and how do we done that. Okay. So that we need practice. Go and practice it at least for the 15 minutes, not for the more than that. Okay. Sure. I will wind up the meeting
Okay.
and I wish you very
Thank
good night
Thank
to
you
you.
all
so
of
much.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
let's thank you so much. Thank you so much.